TRX Sumo squat with heels elevated on weighted plates. How to do it. 1. Setup. Place 2 weighted plates on the floor, shoulder width apart or slightly wider. Stand with your heels elevated on the plates, toes pointing outward in a wide stance, sumo stance. Grab the TRX handles with both hands, arms extended in front of you, and lean slightly back to engage the straps. 2. Execution. Inhale and begin the squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Keep your chest upright. The TRX will help with balance and posture. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, or deeper if mobility allows. Exhale and press through your heels and midfoot to rise back up to standing. Keep knees tracking in line with your toes. 3. Key form cues. Maintain a neutral spine. Don't round your lower back. Keep tension in the straps, but don't let them pull you forward. Avoid collapsing knees inward. Push them out in line with toes. Use the TRX for balance, not for pulling yourself up. Thanks for watching.